another day. It finally got past all this freezing weather. I think we're above freezing right now. It should be about 40 degrees. It has been below freezing, I think, for 5 or 6 days. Got these back rows of these Mopars cleared out. We come up on a few cars. This is a Demon, and I might be wrong. I just presumed all the Demons had at least a small block in it. VIN number said this thing had a, what did it say, Nicole, a 225?
Yeah.
225, 1-barrel 6-cylinder. I was just thinking, which I knew these come with 6-cylinders. I just figured when it had the Demon on it, it had a little bit more. She roasted. That one whole side's gone. That little emblem, I've seen about 3 of them on this row. And I just presumed they had small blocks in them at least. And this one's got the coolest paint job on the doors. This might clean up. You couldn't use it on nothing, but that looked pretty cool hung on a garage wall. I'll go on the other side and it's a little better. And I'm sure they had something built on it. They got some flares built out for the tires. Back seat's just a piece of aluminum. You can tell the dash was cut out of this one. This one was meant to race. Walk around on the other side and let you get a better look at this door. I assume that's the GOAT, the Mopar Express.
Got some advertising on the side for a
Yeah, insurance agent.
and then a Chrysler dealership below that on the center. Woodson Chrysler.
Yep, Woodson Jones. That trunk looks pretty cool, how they had it painted. I'm gonna walk down through here and see if I can find another couple of Demons. See if I can find some supposed to have a small block in it. And there's a convertible just chewed all to pieces. Might be something still worth keeping around. You'll have to excuse that wind if you hear it. I hate to hear wind come through a speaker. Yeah, I was thinking I seen a Demon right in here somewhere. Remember seeing that insignia on the door. Little convertible Dart GT. Alright, I'll work my way down there. Cole found that other Demon. There's 2 of those high dollar black glasses just sitting there, waiting for somebody. Was anything special about that one? Huh. Well, I just presumed the Demons had something besides a 6-cylinder. That's what makes it a Demon. Well, I knew I seen one coming in here in the tractor this morning.
This same year model?
Yeah.
Everything.
Yep, I'll walk around this one a little bit. Yep. Thought it said, yeah, it's got Dodge on the side. I thought it had something else. I got to come back. You notice I leave some of these trees a little taller. One, I got to come back with a chainsaw and get some that's too big for my brush cutter. But when I'm cutting these trees, if I cut it below and it falls on the car, then it's pressured up against the car. If I cut it above the car and it falls over, I'm not messing up the car. So you'll see that one's just above the hood. So I had the tree fall where it wouldn't hurt the car. I got one back there. And there's a gold duster. I guess that was more of a nicer luxury duster. I'll work my way back up and see what's at the other end. Since I got all these trees cut out, I can walk through them, walk around them. And you see that was another one. Really down below my brush cutter, it was too big. And I cut it above the car. I had to come back down through here with my chainsaw. Chainsaw gets pretty dull on this frozen wood. You'll see how it grows. I got it cut at the bottom. We are reclaiming these cars. That one there has been through a whole lot. It was a race car of some sort. Got all kind of stuff on it. A dark GT. Oh, steering wheel on the passenger side. Get up here where I can look back. And y'all, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you hadn't. We appreciate it if you hit that like button on the way out. Y'all have a great weekend.